Well, hello everyone and welcome to this Ecwid review. We're going to be discussing about the pros, cons, and should you use it? Well, are you looking to launch or expand your online store? Today we're focusing on Ecwid by Lightspeed, a powerful e-commerce platform that lets you sell anywhere from existing websites to social media. We'll explore the features, pricing, pros and cons to help you decide if it's the right fit for your business. So stick around to the end because we've got the link in the description to get you started. Well, what is Ecwid? Ecwid is not just a typical standalone website builder. Instead, it's an e-commerce widget that seamlessly integrates with existing websites, social media platforms, and even mobile apps. This flexibility makes it a great choice for businesses that have already an online presence but want to add or expand their online selling capabilities. And when we're talking about the features with Ecwid, it comes packed with features to help you sell effectively. For example, you have the multi-channel selling, where you get to sell on your website, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, Snapchat, and even in person with mobile POS. It's easy to integrate. Embed Ecwid with almost any existing website, be it WordPress, Wix, etc. Then you have mobile management. Here you get to manage your store on the go with Ecwid mobile app. Project management. You get unlimited products on higher tier plans, product variations, and digital goods support. Marketing tools. There is an integration with Facebook Pixel, automated Google Ads, discount coupons, and options for customer reviews and product filters. Shipping and payments. With shipping and payments, Ecwid will help you with real-time shipping quotes, secure checkout, and support for over 70 payment gateways. If you're worried about managing your inventory, you get to track stock levels and receive low stock alerts. And if you're concerned about SEO tools, Ecwid offers tools to optimize product pages for search engines. Although somewhat limited, you can use its functionalities. Then customer management. It has a dedicated dashboard to manage customer information and purchase history. With design and customization, you can trust Ecwid with over 40 free design themes and drag and drop site builders. On security, Ecwid is PCI DSS Level 1 certified, ensuring safe transactions and data protection. And now I'd like to let you know about the pricing. Ecwid offers a range of plans to suit different business needs. Starting with a free plan, you get to sell up to 5 products, and this is ideal for very small businesses or testing the platform. However, we also have the Venture at $25 per month, where you get to sell up to 100 products, and this includes features like selling on Facebook and Instagram and access to the mobile app. This is great for a starting point for most small businesses. Then you have the business plan at $45 per month, where you get to sell up to 2,500 products. And it also comes with features like product filters, customer reviews, and advanced SEO tools. And then you have the unlimited plan at $105 per month. It comes with unlimited products, staff accounts, and includes all features ideal for large businesses with extensive catalogs. We recommend starting with the Venture at $25 per month, as you get to sell up to 100 products and enjoy the features such as selling on Instagram and Facebook and having an access to the mobile app in case you're on the go. And now I'd like to let you know about the pros and cons so you can know what you're getting into. Starting with the pros. It is easy to embed on existing websites. It has multi-channel selling capabilities, no transaction fees from Ecwid itself. It is relatively affordable, especially the Venture plan. And strong security, as we mentioned before, PCI DSS Level 1 certified. And then of course, you have the free plan available. On the flip side, with the cons, it has a limited customization compared to dedicated website builders. SEO tools are not as robust as some competitors. The free plan is very limited, and the checkout setup can be less intuitive. However, we'd like to mention that Ecwid is a fantastic option for businesses that want to add e-commerce functionality to an existing website or sell across multiple channels. Its flexibility and relatively affordable pricing makes it a strong contender. However, if you need a fully customizable website builder with advanced SEO capabilities, you might want to consider alternatives. But for what it's worth and its features you might like, this is a great starting point for most small businesses. So, are you ready to take your online sales to the next level? Well, click on the link in the description to explore Ecwid and find the perfect plan for your business, and go ahead and succeed at doing that. We hope you found this review helpful, and if you did, do let us know in the comment section below, and thanks for watching.